Have you ever wished for a digital display that would show the tier of support being provided to each student in a particular focus area? And wouldn't it be nice if updating that display also updated information in a student profile? WeCollab was designed by educators with that exact purpose in mind. Students can be added to a team board to demonstrate the tiers of support being provided. When the focus area is switched, the board is updated by reorganizing the student cards appropriately. Dragging and dropping the student card will update the student profile in that focus area. As well, custom boards can be created to visually display students for any situation that might be beneficial. Reading groups, a referral process for additional supports, graduation tracking, creating class lists, medical alerts. The possibilities are endless. Schedule a conversation with our WeCollab team to learn more.